strawberry guavas. It's like a strawberry and a guava had a baby. All right, nice and red. Look at the size of these.
I know.
Yum. Fresh drinking water. Healthier than Fiji, Smart Water, Dasani, Deer Park, all that.
Show us what Bear Grylls would do.
Oh my god.
I was about to say, now you gotta go wash your hands or something. Yeah.
Look at some of the fucking...
After you drank the water, then you gotta come wash your hands with these water. The bad water.
Yeah, this water, you do not want to drink this. This is nasty. This stuff is disgusting. Look how dirty. Look how filthy. You die instantly if you drink this.
Oh shit, I'm slipping.
Alright. Check it out. This water is nasty. Don't want to drink that, you'll die instantly. This water, however, when it's still standing stagnant, like sitting for a while, and it has this nice film on top, this is the stuff you want to drink. Especially if there's like a dead animal carcass in it, that's when it's really good. You get a lot of nutrients from that.
No fucking way.
That's good stuff.
What are you saying to that?
Nothing, he's right. That's what you want to drink.
That's the good stuff?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I found it. It's called the scooper.
African plumbing.
It's like that one video where it's like, I have tea, Ugandan tea. He shoots the window.
African aqueducts. Aren't they beautiful?
Gotta take it to my people.
I'm not your people. You're in the wrong.
Fall on my
Busted my
face.
elbow into a trillion pieces before I let the camera touch the rock.
Appreciate that.
Are we going that way?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know when you're out itching, mud is the magical.
Where's that fucker at? Under the rock where you're sitting.
There's a couple under there too.
Yo, we can make something of that.
Bro, we set a cage right here.
Oh man, my lens is dirty. There you go, it's fixed.
Amoebas.